Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power state because Windows 7 changes brightness behavior when on battery. Once done, open Control Panel, go to Hardware and Sound, then Power Options. Next, locate your active power plan and click Change Plan Settings to access brightness controls for that plan. This step puts you directly where Windows stores display adjustments so you can make targeted changes. If you have both battery and plugged-in modes, prepare to set values for each separately so behavior matches your preference. Now adjust the on-screen slider for both on battery and plugged-in. This gives immediate feedback and is the quickest way to set a comfortable level. Once roughly set, click Change Advanced Power Settings to open the numeric controls and find Display, where you can set exact percentages for both power states and enable or disable adaptive brightness. Make sure to apply settings after editing and test with a bright and dark image, so you confirm contrast and comfort under real conditions. Finish by saving your plan settings and testing them, lock the screen, adjust ambient light, or reboot to ensure values persist. If the brightness slider is missing or grayed out, check Device Manager and update your display or monitor drivers. Often installing the OEM driver restores the control. One key troubleshooting tip: if brightness changes unpredictably or flickers, disable adaptive brightness in the advanced power settings and in your graphics driver control panel, because conflicting automatic controls commonly cause inconsistent brightness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.